The nephew of Ibn Shihab reports from his uncle that Abu Idris Aidullah told him, Hazrat Ubadah bin Samit radiyallahu anhu is of those people who participated in Ghazwa Badr and was also present along with the people of Medina at the time of Aqaba pledge. He states that Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, surrounded by a group of his companions, said, "Come on and give me a pledge of allegiance on this, that you will neither associate any partner with Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, nor will commit theft, nor will fornicate, nor will kill your children, nor will intentionally calumniate one another, nor will disobey me in doing good deeds. So whoever amongst you fulfills his pledge, his reward will be with Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, and whosoever commits negligence in this connection and gets its punishment in this world, that punishment will be an expiation of that sin. And whosoever commits negligence in any of these activities and Allah Jalla Jalaluhu keeps it concealed, so it will be up to Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, either he may punish him or pardon him." The transmitter says that he also swore an oath of allegiance to him at this point. Sahih Bukhari Hadith number 3892.